I really like this multi-tool, but believe it or not, one of the tools that I use a lot is actually this tool right here. And it's actually, let's take it out. The fact that it comes out is another plus, but they added a decent size pair of scissors. So I really think this is a nice touch from all the different multi-tools that I've purchased. And yeah, I really like it. Overall, it's a great product. All the other tools, they're great, but it's almost typical with any multi-tool out there. But the fact that it came with this scissors is really cool.